Recent studies from Morgan Stanley, like we've talked about, and also recently Gartner are predicting that mobile internet devices will replace the desktop PCs over the next 2 to 5 years, estimates range. The fact is that people are more mobile. They want access to things that are relevant for them to do their business all the time. The mobile devices and the networks are getting better at providing those capabilities. Again, as you know, we're all about managing the content. So this is just, again, it's another access point for getting at that content. But the way we present it, it will have to be very specific, we think, by sector and by business process we're supporting, simply because of the form factor. The form factor is going to dictate some changes in how we deliver that functionality, such that it's very, very defined in the scope for that business process, because we can't simply duplicate what was on the desktop and try to put that in that form factor. It won't work. So instead what you'll see is kind of what I would call micro or nano use cases of what you would see on a desktop. They're going to have to be chopped up and individually presented with their own very specific UI components to these mobile internet devices. And I'm primarily thinking about phones and the form factor of the mobile internet devices. Now when you look at the iPad, it provides a little bit better, more of an 8.5 by 11 form factor. But the fact is, I don't think people are going to necessarily want to carry those things around and always have them with them. From a timeline standpoint, we can probably provide some of these in probably less than a quarter, once we understand the very discrete business process that we want to support. You may or may not know, but we have prototyped interfaces for these devices back since 2006.
Wow.
For both the BlackBerry, we've done proof of concepts. We've done it for the iPhone. We've just never, there has not been enough demand yet to justify us taking those proof of concepts and prototypes into production. What we're working on right now is a true framework for supporting these mobile devices, with an eye towards that we will release it this time, given we think that there is going to be enough demand. We haven't put it on the fast track. It's a research project right now, but we could quickly move it from research to production if we need to, and that's kind of our goal. You know, we support a wide range of capture devices for content today, whether they're a high volume scanner, or point of admission, or point of scheduling scanner, or whether it's just you know, a multifunction device or peripheral. So we have plugins to all those, or connectors, or licenses for all those various types of capture mechanisms, including fax and email and file import. We think that mobile devices will be another capture point. We see it with our family all the time. Wife takes a photo from her phone and immediately uploads it to Facebook. So why wouldn't we make it just as easy to upload that content to an enterprise content management system like Perceptive Software?